Short video how to replace this shifter bush on the R8 manual, and what we're trying to remove is that play in the rubber bush. I'm going to replace it with these two billet bushes from REPerformance. I've already removed the airbox and the exhaust for some other work, so it's a perfect opportunity to do it. So we start off with a screwdriver and remove this top clip, and you just lift up the top and it slides off. And if you look at that end on there, what we're trying to do is we're trying to raise that little clip. So that's all. So we take that off. The bush then lifts off the shifter arm, and we need to prise out this rubber. So I'm going to try this with a screwdriver. Try not to stab myself. So I'm resting it on this arm and pushing down at the same time. It's quite stiff, but it is going. It's all about teasing the edges whilst pushing it down, in the hope it will suddenly pop out of the bottom and not stab me in my finger, which I suspect is a real possibility if you're not careful. This is where you want a video that says, here's what I did earlier, but I want to show how you actually do it. That's nearly out now. It's quite hard in the corners. I think there's a little bit of a groove or something that's holding it in place. Ah, yes, there is. I can see that. So right in the corner, the rubber appears to be bonded. So I'm just going to get a pair of snips. Okay, so I don't have any snips handy, but I've got these pliers. So if I twist that, I'm wondering if that's going to just tear the rubber. Yes, it does. So I'll just pull that off. So now that's exposing that piece there, which is what was catching in the corner, as you can see. So that's now free. So I'll repeat that in the other three corners. So with snips it would be easier, but since I'm trying to do this video all at once, I'll make do with these pliers. Just twist that and it tears. Repeat that. Grab the rubber, twist it and it tears. Same on the final corner. Squeeze the rubber, rotate it and it tears, and that should pop out now. Let's get rid of that piece of rubber in a minute. So hopefully that will all pull through to the back. So that's the bush that has the wear in it. The whole point is it's got a void in it, so it's supposed to have a little bit of give, but for what I want, I don't want that play. So replace the bush with these two aluminium ones. So these are machined, so they click into there and into there. Put that back over the top. Replace the clip. And then when I go and shift gear, there's no slop in this arm. So now as I go to change,